Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is KNDS and TYTAN technologies expand drone defense partnership to advance European counter-UAS unmanned aircraft system land systems. KNDS Deutschland and TYTAN technologies have agreed to expand their cooperation on counter-unmanned aircraft systems for military land platforms and operational use. The companies signed a memorandum of understanding in Munich on the 6th of February 2026, in the presence of Germany's Federal Minister for Economic Affairs and Energy, Katrina Reiche. The agreement builds on the successful integration of TYTAN's Kinetic Interceptor S into the compartment box of the Boxer RCT-30. The fully integrated solution was demonstrated during the Bundeswehr's experimental Serie Land in Münster, Bergen in autumn 2025. Under the expanded collaboration, the partners aim to field solutions to protect KNDS land systems and their crews against unmanned aerial threats using TYTAN's drone-on-drone technology. The cooperation also covers joint work on a new European standard for mobile UAS unmanned aircraft system launch solutions and further development of counter-UAS unmanned aircraft system technologies for base protection and frontline air defense. Boris Nagy, chief executive and co-founder of TYTAN, said, "Two companies with a clear track record of battle-proven systems are joining forces to set the standard in CUAS counter-unmanned aircraft systems. We strongly believe in the synergy of innovation at scale and partnership with a strong industrial partner." Matthias Knoll, executive vice president for digitalization at KNDS, added, "As a leading European provider of land systems, we are convinced that agile and innovative companies like TYTAN and KNDS are an ideal fit to drive the integration of new, innovative solutions and offer soldiers the best possible systems." Reiche highlighted the broader context for such cooperation, stating, "Drones are enablers. As dual-use systems, they protect critical infrastructure while at the same time contributing to defense against hostile aerial threats in Ukraine." She added, "This technology is not developed at a desk alone. Its evolution is shaped by real operations, by experience from the field, including Ukraine, and by the willingness to take responsibility and accept risk. Only this creates real capability." Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.